Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at two very often or frequently confused verbs. These are to discuss and to argue. So what can we say about this verb to discuss? In English we often use this verb in academic context to talk about something or to analyze something um, in a logical and dispassionate way. So we might talk about and analyze an idea or explore an idea. So we will discuss an idea together, okay? But we're not fighting, okay? We often use the verb, we do use the verb argue to do this, okay? So if you have a quarrel with someone or if you are fighting verbally with someone, then you argue with that person. Now, this is where sometimes they can be a bit confusing as well, because this word argue can also be applied in academic contexts to talk about the development of an idea or a rational position. Okay, so using evidence and reasons to develop position. Okay, so we use this verb to argue in that context as well. Likewise, we can also use this verb argue in academic context to have maybe a more confrontational discussion, okay? But it doesn't mean we're getting angry or emotional about it as well. So, for example, we might say we argued over the interpretation of the data, and that in an academic context would be absolutely fine, okay? Um, but again, it would be more confrontational than saying we discussed the interpretation of the data, okay, which would suggest more of an exploration of this topic. So, to summarize, we use this verb discuss in a more neutral way to explore, to develop academically a discussion, okay, a conversation. With argue, we can use alternative verbs if there's any doubt about this. So we can use the words debate to mean to argue something, to present an argument, or to make a case as well. All of these ideas can be used for the verb to argue.